Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce our app. First, when we open the app, we arrive at the dashboard. From the home page, you can see the setup process, the pre-sale button, analytics, customization options, theme setup, reminders, and other important features. To get started, you need to add the app block. Once the app block is added, the setup is complete. Next, let's test the app. Wherever you want the button to appear on your store, you simply need to add the app block there. In this example, I have added the button above the product section. Later, if you want to display it on collection pages, you can also do that. The button can be placed in different locations depending on your preference. Here we can also view the wish list section. By opening the wish list, we can see all the products that have been added by customers. The app provides various settings and customization options. We can manage all configurations from the settings panel and customize the appearance according to our store's branding and requirements. Next, we have the reminder settings section. From here, we can fully customize reminder emails and notifications however we want. All reminder-related options can be modified from this area. We can also view important statistics such as how many products have been saved, how many new products were saved in the last 30 days, which customers saved products, customer activity, and engagement data. Additionally, we can send emails directly to customers who have saved products to their wish list. On the home page, we can also find another section called View Wishlist, where we can see which products have been added to wish lists by customers.